In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a TradingView Renko alert. First, let's dive into the basics of what a Renko chart is and why someone might choose to use it. Unlike traditional candlestick charts, Renko charts are designed to filter out minor price fluctuations, allowing you to focus on the bigger trends. This is particularly useful for those who are looking to identify significant market movements without being distracted by small, daily noise. To set up a Renko alert properly, we first need to change to a traditional Renko chart on TradingView. Begin by opening the asset you're interested in on TradingView. Once you have your asset displayed, you'll want to head over to the Renko chart settings. It's crucial to switch from the ATR setting to the traditional setting. The traditional Renko chart provides a clearer representation based on fixed block sizes. After making this switch, it's time to set your desired block size. The block size essentially defines the price movement required to form a new brick, so it should align with your trading strategy. Moving forward, let's discuss Renko-specific indicators, which can be immensely helpful if you're interested in alerts for Renko-specific patterns, such as pivot highs or lows. To do this, search for an appropriate indicator that fits your needs. For example, the Renko Alerts indicator by Ragamuffin is a popular choice. Once you've found your indicator, click on the indicator's settings to add it to your chart. This step is imperative if your alerts will be based on the specific patterns identified by the indicator. Now let's move on to setting the actual alert. If you want to create a built-in Renko alert, look for the alert icon typically located on the right-hand side of your chart, then click Create Alert. If you're using an indicator, alternatively, you can simply right-click on your chart and select Add Alert on indicator name. You might also find an alert option directly within the indicator's settings menu. This ability to customize alerts directly from your indicator's settings offers great flexibility. Once you're in the alert configuration window, you'll need to choose Renko Alerts from the Condition drop-down menu. This is where you can select the specific trigger condition you wish to set. Perhaps you are interested in a pivot high breakout. Select that condition from your available Renko Alerts list. Don't forget to customize your alert with a name, a message for when it is triggered, and set its expiration time for added personalization and convenience. Finally, with everything set to your preference, click Create or Add to finalize your alert. And that's it. You will now receive a notification whenever the specified condition is met on your Renko chart, allowing you to stay on top of significant market changes effortlessly. This alert system can be an invaluable tool to make informed trading decisions effectively. Happy trading!